What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a few days since my last video, but work has been crazy. Then went to the beach to play some golf with some buddies. And then Monday and Tuesday? Monday and Tuesday were a little busy. So it's not too late, but it's dark outside, so filming in the garage, but want to kind of show you guys how to properly jack up your BMW. And a lot of you that are newer to BMWs don't really know that you need special adapters when you're jacking up your BMW, especially the newer models. So I'm going to show you some of the tools that I bought, the jack that I bought, the adapters that you need to jack up your BMW properly. And I'll put all the links down in the description below of where I got the parts and everything. But first, I wanted to show you, this was a smoking deal on a jack, and it's a low profile jack. And it's one of those that you need if you have a lower car. I'm not talking like stance cars, but if you have a car that's lowered with coilovers or lowering springs, this jack is really, really good. So I've used it a few times and it is awesome. It's really easy to roll around. It jacks up super easy. So here it is right here. So when you jack it up a few times, it elevates really easily. And then just to let it down, you just turn this like all jacks. And it's super easy to use. And it's super smooth and easy to roll around. So I recommend this jack. And of course I got it at Harbor Freight, really good deal. I think it was only $70. So that is super, super easy to use, and it's pretty good quality. I mean, and it, you know, I have a 340, I don't have a truck or anything, so especially for cars, it's more than enough. So for the adapters, you need, and I'll show you guys a picture, there is a little area in under the car to receive for the jacking points. Let me see. And so right here, this is what is under your car, if it focuses a little bit. There's this like long square kind of insert under your car. This goes in that slot, and then this is a surface that you jack up on. And that's why it's so important to get a jack with this soft, flat surface, because then that mount is gonna fit just like that. So if you have a jack, where's the other one? Oh yeah. So if you have a jack that looks like that, where it has that kind of square, it might work a little bit, but you're gonna hurt these adapters. So you don't wanna use a jack like this. So you wanna make sure you have a jack that has a flat jacking surface, and then it'll fit right there, and that way you're properly jacking your BMW up correctly. And I got those on eBay. I think they were like 20 bucks, but I'll put the link down in the description. You need those. You do not want to try and jack your BMW up without those inserts, because I'm sure you guys have seen videos where guys jack their car up without those adapters, and it totally messes up those jacking points, and then you have to go and buy new mount, I don't know what they call it, like the jack adapters, and then you have to put them on, so it's a pain in the butt. So just spend, you know, 20 bucks to get the pack of 2 of the adapters, so you don't have to worry about, you know, damaging your car while you're jacking it up. I also want to share some other tools that I got since we're talking about jacking the car up. Most likely when you're jacking the car up, you're either going to be changing wheels, or you're putting springs in, or you're doing a brake job. So any of those times you're gonna service those parts, you're gonna need to jack the car up. But there's these 3 lug sockets that I got, and these are on Amazon. And they're really nice because they're color coded, and you have a 17 mil, a 19 mil, and then a 21 mil. And it comes in this nice, you know, kind of plastic case. And it's nice because they have this plastic coating over it, and you guys have probably seen these, so it doesn't ding your wheels up. And I thought that was one of the best deals. So in case you know, buy aftermarket wheels and you have, you know, spacers or something, you at least have different size lug bolts to work with, so you don't have to keep on running to the store. So that was super handy. And then the other thing is this Ryobi impact drill. I'll mount the camera here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this kit right here, it's only like 16 bucks, and it comes with this big, oh, I didn't know I had that. It comes with this big lug adapter, or it comes with this big socket adapter, and it goes right in here, and obviously it works. But the really cool thing about it is it accepts these lug bolts, or I don't know why I keep on calling them lug bolts. It accepts these sockets, and it's really nice. And the one thing, sometimes they'll tell you, well, you have to have a impact gun and impact wrench. Well, impact driver. And so it kind of can act like an impact gun too, where impact gun basically has this right here, whereas this impact driver, it has a bunch of different options. So it can be a screwdriver, a Phillips, a metric, or it can have a socket adapter on there. Well, that's it, guys, but thanks again for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and all of the products that I've talked about in this video will be down in the description below, and I'll have the links there for you. Again, the jack is from Harbor Freight, the impact drivers from Home Depot, the lug bolts, or I keep on saying lug bolts, the lug sockets are from Amazon. The mounting adapters are from Amazon as well. So I'll have all that information down in the description. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.